I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by using the account where you want a single, clean address book. Import immediately, go to Contacts. Google, com and choose Import, then pick the CSV or vCard you exported. Once done, scan the import summary for duplicates or missing fields so you don't carry bad data forward. Make sure to include company and role columns in your CSV. That helps sorting and labels later. This gets you a solid foundation and prevents chasing errors in later steps. You now make contacts useful by organizing. Create labels for groups, clients, team, vendors, so you can quickly filter and share. Use the Merge and Fix tool to eliminate duplicates. It saves time and prevents sync conflicts. Once done, open individual contact cards and add notes, birthdays, and custom fields like account numbers or time zone. Make sure to save changes and apply labels. This is why future searches and mail merges work smoothly, and why your phone displays the right caller info. You finish by ensuring your contacts move where you work. Enable Contacts Sync on Android/iOS and verify sync in Gmail and Calendar. Share specific labels with teammates or export groups for backups and mailings. Once done, test by searching a few names and sending a group email from Gmail. If something goes wrong, check account sync status and re-import a corrected CSV. Missing fields or wrong delimiters are the usual culprits. Make sure you keep a recent export as a rollback option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.